Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with BECE 2019 Mathematics Past Question 28. Expand x minus 3 in brackets square. To expand x minus 3 in brackets square. A, x square minus 3x plus 9. B, x square minus 6x plus 9. C, x square minus 6x minus 9. And D, x square minus 5x plus 6. So the question here says we have to expand what? Expand this here. Now we are giving x minus 3 square. Now for us to expand this, how do we do it? Since we are having this square here, we are what? We have to give this in, we have to remove this square here now, because this x minus 3 simply means what? Everything in this bracket square. So we have to remove this square here by opening this bracket. So therefore we have x minus 3 close bracket open bracket x minus 3. Now this is the same thing as saying what? X minus 3 in brackets square. Now for us to continue from here, we also would simplify this here now. And how do we do that? By multiplying this by this. So for us to multiply this by this, what do? We pick each of these contents here and multiply each of these contents by this, and also pick this and multiply each of these by this. Now what do I mean here? Let's start with x. We'll start with x. So we pick x here now and multiply this in this bracket by this x. How? What do I mean? So we are going to be having this is equals to x open bracket x minus 3 close bracket. So we've what? Multiply this here by what? By x. Now also we'll multiply this again by 3 minus 3 open bracket x minus 3. Now we'll continue. X multiplied by x here will give us what? X square. X multiplied by minus 3 will give us what? Minus 3x. Now minus 3 here multiplied by x will give us what? Minus 3x. And minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. Minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 here will give us what? Will give us plus 9. Plus 9. Now let's continue. So here we have what? We have x square minus 3x are like terms. So minus 3x minus 3x the same thing as saying was 3x plus 3x, but because they are negative integers, the answer will be in negative. So you have minus 6x plus 9. Now this is the full expression of what? Of this. We've successfully what? Expanded x minus 3 in bracket square. So when we expanded it, we remove this square, and when we remove this square, it means that we are multiplying this by itself, which we have here. And for us to multiply this by this, what do? We pick each of the contents of this bracket here and multiply it by this bracket. So we pick x and multiply x by this, and then we pick minus 3 and multiply minus 3 by this. And so we have x times x to give us x square, x times minus 3 to give us minus 3x, and then we come here, minus 3 times x to give us minus 3x, and minus 3 times minus 3 to give us plus 9, because negative times negative will give us a positive. Then we simplify this also. We say x square minus 3x because I like terms to give us what? Minus 6x, and then plus 9. So this is the expansion of x minus 3 square in brackets. And from our option here, A says x square minus 3x plus 9, which is wrong, does not correspond to our answer. B says x square minus 6x plus 9, which is correct, it corresponds to our answer. C says x square minus 6x minus 9, which is wrong. And D says x square minus 5x plus 6, which is wrong. So our answer is B. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel to get more of our videos.